Hello everyone, my name is HE MINGZHI, and this video is an introduction and demonstration of my final year project. The title of my final year project is Talk About Text Analysis Platform, which contains named entity recognition and topic modeling. Before I start to introduce my whole project, I need to thank those who gave me suggestions and help during the past year, especially my supervisor, Dr. Ganking Hong. Her help and advice is so important for me to design and develop the whole project. Okay, now let's start from the background of my project. Compared with the past, the development of science and technology has been greatly improved, so that people can get information in various domains faster than before. But the fastest way for them to get information is from news. Usually, news is categorized and summarized by the news editors, and after that they will release it to users. So the question I need to answer is, can news editors speed up this process? Before I answer this question, let's see what problem I need to solve. The first problem I need to solve is the number of the news, and the content is messy. In addition, with the increase of the number of the news, the speed of analyzing news text file would be limited by the amount. At the same time, it is difficult for news editors to efficiently handle all content in the text file. So what I plan to do is to create a text analysis platform for news editors. Firstly, they could use my platform to do the pre-processing news text file to clean the messy data. After that, they could also do the text analysis in my system, and they also can view the result in my system. Finally, they could share the result with other users in my system. And the next thing I will say is the proposed solutions in my system. Talk About Text Analysis Platform is a web-based text analysis platform. And the core proposed solution in my project is the named entity recognition and topic modeling, which are both under natural language processing. And the main users in my system is divided into two types. The first one is normal user and another one is administrators. They have similar system functions, but the administrators can operate the pre-trained mode in my system, while users cannot do anything for them. This platform allows users to find a way to quickly analyze text file, and the process is easy for users to understand, and the whole system runs smoothly. The main things in my system is about the modules. And there are several modules in my system: login and register module, and user profile and management module is for users to manage their own account and personal information. And the view details analysis module and the view all news module is for users to view the result and share the result with each other. And the three main modules in my system is topic analysis module, named entity recognition analysis module, and the topic management module. The main algorithm and modes used in my main module is LDA and conditional random field mode. Both of the analysis module would process the pre-processing to clean the messy data in a text file. And the next thing I need to say is my system architecture. This is my system architecture. User could connect to my system text analysis platform by using desktop or laptop. And the next one is the technology deployed of my system. It divided into hardware and software. And the next thing I need to introduce to you is about the main process in my system. During the operation of the entire program, The administrator can construct a new mode by uploading information in different domains. And then administrator can use this mode to complete the analysis of the entire system, such as the topic analysis and named entity recognition analysis. But also they could use the default mode in my system to complete the whole process. However, all mode construction and text analysis are complete after text pre-processing. Now, let's see the project of mine. Hello everyone. This is the domain structure of my project. Although there are two types of users in my system, but they do not have too much different functions in the platform, so that I decided to use the administrator account to show the whole process in my system. Now let's start from the registration and the sign in. User cannot sign in the system before registration, and in registration they need to input their username, email, and password. An administrator key is used to decide whether the user is administrator or not. After they complete the registration, they need to sign in the system by using their username and password. If user enter wrong password or user's name is not accepted in the system, users would receive the warning message from the backend. Once the user inputs their own identification and password, they would enter into the system. The system is started from the dashboard. In the dashboard, user could browse all news of all users. And also they could filter the news by using the different languages in my system. For example, there are two languages in my system, English and Chinese. So that means they can view the different language news by using my system. And for each news, user could find who uploads this news and which file of the news is in, and a series information including snippet, news topic, and create time. The view action button is used for user to view the detailed information of the news. For demonstration, I would use English news as example. After the user click view button, they would see more detailed information in the new page. As you can see, I am enter the system as MingZhi, and now I can view Z with a news. And now I could know why the topic is topic 1 and the top word in the whole news. And also I could do the thing is to view all the content in the news. And another thing I could do is to view the special entity in the text file, including the number, person, date, organization, and something else. Now let's go back to the dashboard and check the View My News button. This button is for users to view their own news. Let's go the My News page. In this page, users could view the result or do the analysis for their own news. Once user clicks the Start action, which means the system would start the analysis of the news file, the whole process is in black box. And it would do the pre-processing, and it would do the analysis also. So as you can see now, we can view the result for the shanbei.en file. And of course, user can view the English mode and Chinese mode here. For this thing is decided by the system administrator. So that means the user could choose the different mode to do the different analysis for their news. And the next step, let's say the view results in my news page. As you can see, the view news button, you could say the news in this file, and you can see the different topic in this file also. As you can see, there are 4 news in this file, and you can click one to view the details information as just now showing in the dashboard. And of course, user could click export button to export the Excel file to save the result. Let's go back to the My News page. And after we complete the My News page, user should go back upload news page, because if they don't upload, they cannot do anything in my system. And in this page, user could manage their own news, including upload, rename, and delete. Before the user uploads the new file, they should read the example in instruction. Then they could complete the whole upload process. The next one is the final functions for normal users. They could view their own information in My Account page. So that's all for normal users. But you can see MINGZHI is as an administrator account here. So now let's go to the administrator functions. The extra function for administrator is the topic mode information. For topic information, your administrator can manage the topic mode including upload, activate, and delete. For each topic mode file, users can choose activate or deactivate. Choose deactivate, that means there would be no topic mode for users. So that means if I click deactivate here, in My News, there would be show nothing for English mode. Let's activate it again. And before the user uploads the new topic mode file, they also need to watch the example in the instruction. And now, the first 2 files you see is the default topic mode in my system. Because of the time of the video, so I won't show the process of the new topic mode building, so I give the new example here is mymode.file. Administrator also could view the detailed information of each topic mode to decide which mode they need to use. For example, we use the English topic mode as the example here. And the user could set topic title, topic future, and topic mode file. And the user also can rename the topic title here also, because that would be important for users, because the whole system I used in LDA algorithm. LDA algorithm is unsupervised topic mode algorithm, so that means user would get the undefined topic title here. So that would be important for them to decide the topic title by themselves. That's all for my system, and this is my demonstration of my system. After the demonstration of my whole project, I need to say, during the past year, what I do in my final year project is to establish a web-based system to collect user information and text information, and by using many functions and algorithms to help users find a way to quickly analyze text topics and content. I really learned and gained too much from my final year project. So that's all about my introduction and demonstration of my project. Thanks for your watching.